adjustment in the discount rate on account of discount for lack of marketability, discount for lack of control, and adjustment for control premium.
Okay, okay. So, see, one is known as DLOC. DLOC is discount for lack of control, and one is DLOM. DLOM is discount for lack of marketability. Now,
Marketability.
now what does it mean? It means when you are doing the valuation of a business, or when you're doing valuation of, let's say, equity shares. So DLOC, discount for lack of control. Now I'm getting shares of a company, and what I'm getting is just 5% share, or let's say 4% shares. Now with that 4% shares, what is going to happen? Am I going to get a control on that company? And the answer is no. Answer is no, because 4% shares if I hold in a company, I will not be able to control that company. So therefore, whatever price is worked out, using any of the method, I as the buyer can ask for a discount, or because of lack of control. Do you follow what I'm saying, Sukumar?
Yes, sir. Absolutely, sir.
Right? Okay. So that when you are asking discount for lack of control, that is known as DLOC. So the price which is worked out, let's say, is 100 rupees.
Yes, sir.
And I tell the seller, look, 100 rupees is fine, but these shares are not, with these shares, I am not going to get a control of the business. I'm just going to be a very passive shareholder. So this price of 100 rupees, it doesn't make sense to me. So I need some discount. And I negotiate, and that is known as DLOC, discount for lack of control. And likewise, you can have a premium for control. So let's say, for example, somebody is selling shares to me, which is 26%. So if I'm acquiring shares 26% in a company, remember, I am getting a right to withhold any special resolution.
Yes, sir.
Because with 26%, company cannot pass any special resolution, and if they have to pass a special resolution, they will have to take me into confidence. So if the price is being bugged out at 100 rupees, the seller can command a premium. He might say, look, I am giving you 26%, and because of 26%, you will be in a position to influence the company, and therefore I need a premium of 5% or 6, whatever that percentage can be. So that is premium for control. So discount for lack of control or premium for control. Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Very much, sir.
Likewise, there is something called DLOM. DLOM is discount for lack of marketability. I am acquiring shares of a company which is not listed on a stock market. So there is a lack of marketability. So I purchase the shares, but tomorrow if I have to dispose them off, I do not have the opportunity of going to the stock exchange and dispose of these shares or sell these shares because it is not listed. So therefore there is a lack of marketability. So I can ask the seller of these shares to give me a discount because of lack of marketability. So that is your DLOC, DLOM and DLOC.
Yes, sir.
And in my experience, a question can come in the examination. DLOC stands for, just full form, DLOC stands for. DLOM stands for just the full form, and that much can be the question actually. Hope that answers your question, Sugumar.
Yes, sir. Very much, sir. Very much, sir.